Apple just dropped iOS 26 Beta 7, and while it's late in the beta cycle, this update packs some long-awaited features, bug fixes, and even a return of a major health tool that was banned in the US for years. So, what's new? Who gets these features? And is it safe to install right now? Let's break it all down. First, let's set the stage. iOS 26. Beta 7 is now available to developers, alongside the fourth public beta. That means if you have an Apple developer account, you can download it right now. While we're close to the final release expected this fall, Apple still found room to squeeze in some important new features, especially for health tracking, battery management, and messaging organization. The headline feature, blood oxygen monitoring, is finally back in the United States. For years, this feature was disabled due to a patent battle between Apple and medical device maker Masimo. Earlier this month, Apple reintroduced it in iOS June 1st 18 and watchOS June 1st 11, and now it's fully supported in iOS 26 Beta 7. But here's the catch. You'll need one of Apple's newer watches, Apple Watch Series 9, Series 10, or Apple Watch Ultra 2. This matters because blood oxygen monitoring can help track respiratory health, sleep quality, and even altitude acclimation. The fact that it's back in the US is a huge win for Apple Watch users. Next up, a small but very welcome tweak, adaptive power notifications. Previously, adaptive power mode was just on or off, meaning your iPhone would silently throttle performance to save battery. Now in Beta 7, you can choose whether or not you want notifications when the system makes these adjustments. For power users, this transparency is great. You'll know exactly when your iPhone is slowing things down. Another new feature is in Messages. Now when you tap the three-line filter icon in the top right, you'll see a new option, Filter by Drafts. This lets you quickly find messages you started but never sent, perfect for anyone who multitasks and forgets to hit send. It's a small quality of life change, but for heavy texters, it's going to save time. Apple also addressed one of the more annoying bugs, screenshots that appeared too dark. That's now fixed in Beta 7, so what you capture on screen should actually match what you see. Now the big question, should you install iOS 26 Beta 7? Remember, this is still developer beta software. Bugs, crashes, and compatibility issues are possible. If you do try it, always back up your iPhone first. For most people, I recommend waiting for the public beta, or better yet, the official stable release this fall. But if you're a developer or just love testing cutting-edge features, Beta 7 is worth a look. So to recap, blood oxygen. Monitoring returns for Apple Watch users in the US, adaptive power notifications give you more control over battery management. Messages draft filter adds new organization, and bugs, like dark screenshots, are being squashed as we near the final release. With iOS 26 shaping up to be one of Apple's most polished updates in years, Beta 7 is a strong sign that the finish line is near. Will you install iOS 26 Beta 7, or wait for the full release? Let us know in the comments.